Alright, trade recap for today. I missed the opportunity today. I've been missing a bunch lately, and I think it's just 'cause like, this happened a while ago, I just wasn't dialed in. Like, today, like, I can say it's like good learning, and it is good learning, but also I missed it. Like, I, if saw it, I would have got in. But, anyways, so, I didn't reset yesterday's. Okay, so, price was, we had good news today, we have good news. Right? And I had to trade early because it's 6:30, which did have quite an impact. 6:30. Yeah, this big bearish candle here. That was the 6:30. So there. Anyways, as session opens, marked out liquidity. We had top of the range here, bottom of the range here, and then prices were pretty good aligned between ES and NAS, and then there was some equal lows here on ES, but then also those lows correlated to here, but I didn't have that marked because these were the equal lows on NAS here and then here, right? And I was expecting, I was not looking for the sweep of the equal lows just because they were weaker at the start of the session, but at the start of the session these lows formed, giving more equal lows, especially here on ES, giving more equal lows, right? So they formed, and I was looking for price to come and sweep bottom side, like this liquidity down here, because this is bottom of the range here, top of the range here, bottom of the range. So I was looking for price to come sweep bottom of the range here, and then potentially have a divergence with NAS, or NAS would come and sweep. But price did not come and sweep, so I was like, oh, that's it. But it started moving away really hard, and price moved to the sweep really hard, which tells off of like nothingness, which tells me it is a sweep, like it's a sweep coming. But I wasn't locked in, so I wasn't up like reanalyzing as the markets were occurring. So obviously, more equal lows here, just a shit ton of equal lows. Here, 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 back here, and then ES corresponding had here, made on open, these double lows here, then this low. This bottom one was bottom of the range, so it doesn't get that, but this one does. So this was a sweep, right? Sweeps these equal lows. On ES, it gets this fair value gap, and it's a good sweep, like because price is just going sideways and then it just dumps, and then it just pushes hard. That tells me price is sweeping, and I thought it was going to come lower, but it's I'm just not locked in, like, and I'm going to be locked in. It's fine. I've just been a bit dialed out because I tell myself like, or I see online like holiday markets not as good because it's holiday markets, but for me it still works because if I see an opportunity for an entry, it means the markets are good enough for an entry. So I get in and the market will play out in my favor and in my position, and it will work because the markets have been good enough to provide that position. Like, because it is holidays, I'm getting less positions. Like, some days there'll just be none, but I need to dial in because I'm missing shit. Like, yeah. So anyways, the value gap here doesn't get tapped, but on ES it does, and ES has been correlating with NAS the whole time, so that's good. And then price moves hard to the sweep off of like nothingness, tells me it's a sweep. Hits the lows. I just needed to know that it, like, I needed to analyze and just see that it was sweeping those lows, and that's all good. Learning, and I'm just next time I'm just gonna be dialed because I'm like not dialed because of the holiday markets. I tell myself and I see online. This is why I hate social media for trading. I hate it. Anyways, fair value gap here, tapped and respected on this candle, uh, which correlates to this bearish candle. So if I get in on this, let's say price wicks me up a bit, stop loss. I would have a decent stop loss because it could come and fill. Stop loss here, shoot for these highs, or if I'm feeling real fucking good, these like equal highs here. But I'm only putting it there because I can see it. I would shoot for these highs, probably, or just above. But if price moved that hard on the first candle, I would move it up. I would definitely move my take profit up. But yeah. So that's that. That was the position. Um, yeah. I'm just gonna be more dialed for next time. It's all good. But yeah, that's that. Too easy.